Hello everyone. So today we are going to do total body lift procedure following massive weight loss. So many of you may be aspiring to lose 50 kilos, 60 kilos after a lot of weight gain. And what is important is what comes after you lose a massive weight. So if you do not combine post-bariatric surgery, some structured diet and exercise plan, you will have excessive skin sagging everywhere, starting from the arms, breast, abdomen, back rolls, your buttocks, thighs, everywhere there will be ptosis or sagging. Then we need to do body lifts, upper body lift, lower body lift, breast lift, and multiple combination procedures like this. So today you will be seeing one of such procedures where we are trying to combine lower body lift, J-torsoplasty and brachioplasty, that is for the arms, as well as breast lift with implant. So this is the combination of procedures that we're going to do. So we work as a team because these are, if done by single surgeon, it's going to take long hours. You'll have to stage the procedure. It cannot be done in one session, but we're going to do in one session as a team, and you will see the steps of this procedure. Okay, infiltrate. Diathermy ready, yeah? Knife. Diathermy. Come, suturing.